You're watching how Leap lets block someone on Instagram if they already blocked you. If they have already blocked you, you cannot directly block them because you cannot find their profile. However, you can preemptively block them using a workaround. First, you need to unblock yourself. Ask a mutual friend to go to the person's profile. Have the friend tap the three dots on their profile and select block. Your friend can then choose to block on Instagram for you. Alternatively, if you have a second account they haven't blocked, log into that account, find their profile, and block them from there. This prevents them from seeing your main profile if they ever unblock you. Remember, if you are blocked, you cannot interact with their profile at all from your blocked account. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.